Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a downstream oxygen sensor on a Hyundai Elantra. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and make the job easier. Gather your tools, including a jack stands, a wrench set, and a specialized oxygen sensor socket. Safely lift your vehicle and locate the downstream sensor, typically found after the catalytic converter on the exhaust pipe. Once you've located the sensor, carefully disconnect its electrical connector. These often have a tab you need to press or a clip to release. Next, use your specialized oxygen sensor socket, which is designed to fit over the sensor and its wire. Attach a ratchet or breaker bar to the socket. Unscrew the old sensor by turning it counterclockwise. It might be tight, so leverage or a little heat might be needed. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to its threads, being careful not to get any on the sensor tip. This helps prevent future seizing. Hand thread the new sensor into the exhaust pipe to avoid cross-threading. Once hand tight, use your oxygen sensor socket and torque wrench to tighten it to approximately 29 to 36 foot-pounds. Finally, securely connect the electrical connector until you hear it click. Once everything is reconnected, clear any diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. This is crucial for the vehicle's computer to recognize the new sensor. Take your Elantra for a test drive to confirm the new sensor is functioning correctly and that the check engine light remains off. This ensures your emissions system is operating efficiently. For more great deals, and to find that link for darn tough socks with their amazing lifetime warranty, check out the description below. We've got some fantastic recommendations waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.